express my sincere gratitude to you for allowing me to question number 1 to a new parliamentarian. Respected Madam, I want to know from concerned minister through you that several diseases are mentioned by the respected minister during giving reply to the question of National Center of Disease Control, which causes severe anxiety as the said disease unknown of the ordinary doctor, and for which several times many people are to die without any proper treatment of those unknown diseases. Actually, it is a matter of regret that NCDC has not made any awareness program in panchayat or block level through knowledgeable doctor and expert. But the respected minister,
please go to your...
You know that ASHA and Anganwadi worker works in panchayat and block level. They detect those persons and bring those patients of the hospital and arrange treatment and save their life. It is a matter of regret those workers are under NGO and their salary very poor.
Please
help ASHA and Anganwadi.
No.
Sir,
ask the question.
If those diseases are not controlled in primary level, then those diseases would replace.
No, Bhashan, question please. What is your question?
Respected Speaker, Madam, I want to know, first supplementary question through you, the Honorable Minister, whether you have got any plan and program include the disease, health child care, health new sick born baby, and free surgical of the children with cardiac patient. Already
you don't have any question.
Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee.
Short question. What is it? What is it? One question.
If yes,
one question.
then give the details. If not, then give any planning for that disease awareness program, block and panchayat level. Even and after the primary season, Kala Jor, dengue and various unknown disease spread all over the country. And few genetic disease like AIDS, filaria, pox, chikungunya, influenza, thalassemia, meningitis and other disease which make the patient sick during the whole year, and every state government are to make treatment of those diseases. Madam Speaker, it is a matter of regret that often detection of those disease, central government sends observer team to the affected area, and after the central government approves several funds for use of the state government for treatment of those disease. But it is take much time, several deaths occur. For that reason, it is necessary to increase consciousness of the people to which same fund is necessary of the state government. Honorable Minister, in his reply to the state, 8 states of NCDC and assure another 30 institutes, it may kindly mention that West Bengal has processed much regarding health at present time, but no NCDC center in West Bengal. Yet, already land available. Respected CM, agree. I want to know from the Honorable Minister through you whether there is any plan to make NCDC center in West Bengal. If yes, then in what financial year, which financial year, and in what basis? If not, have